Hi Raf, thanks very much for sending the question in about your dishwasher Eklipt. Now, the problem being is I hadn't heard of this make. This is one of many brands which are buying appliances off Chinese companies under their own name. And what is happening, these brands are not getting the backup of the actual Chinese companies with the information that's needed to be able to purchase parts. Now, I'm away at Berlin at the moment at a trade show, and Midea, who I think is the manufacturer of your dishwasher, are very unhelpful is the only word I can use. I asked them the specific question about the problem that I've come across with a lot of different dishwashers and cookers that have been supplied to these lesser known brands, and the information is not there to acquire technical manuals, wiring diagrams, or in your case even spare parts. The only chance that you've got of getting an element for this dishwasher is to use the manufacturer's name, which is Midea. Now, Midea produce dishwashers all over the world to different companies. Now, if you do a Google search for Midea dishwasher element, you may be able to find one which is the same wattage as the one that you've got. The only Midea dishwasher elements I've got in stock at the moment are 700 watt, not 800 watt, as you were saying yours is. So you're just going to have a Google around, mate. I'm sorry I can't help you more because I'm not in the workshop. As I said, I'm on a bit of a busman's holiday. I'm here in Berlin at a trade show, but because I've got Starlink on the vehicle, I'm able to make these videos and also web pages for customers' questions. Anyway, I'm having a chill out afternoon and not actually going to the trade show today because it's just stifling hot. It's over 30 degrees and I never expected this in Berlin. Anyway, thanks very much for the question. I hope I've pointed you in the right direction to rectify the problem.